So today we're doing an unboxing of a Genesis luxury shave kit. This was sent to me from sharpologist.com. Let's open up and see what we have here. A little unboxing. So as I open this, I can explain how I got this. Sharpologist.com has a lot of great reviews, a lot of excellent content on anything related to traditional wet shaving. I've been following them for some years, and not too long ago they had a competition for a traditional wet shaving infographic. So send in your infographic, and this is the prize. I sent it in. This came in the mail last night, and a lot of good reviews on sharpologist.com. The list of soaps, for example, I've tried a lot of those soaps. They've all been winners, so check it out if you haven't already. All right, so a lot of care to the packaging. Thank you, Mark, for this. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this looks like the OneBlade Genesis. Okay, I see now. This is all in different boxes here. The OneBlade brush stand, obsessively precise. Okay, looking forward to opening that. Oh goodness, a Thäter finest shaving brushes, genuine handcrafted from Germany. Maybe it's pronounced Thäter, I'm not sure. My apologies to any German speakers out there. And a lot of great care. Oh boy, got the whole set here. We have cream. Let's see what we got. And I'll get some more. Okay, this is definitely a complete deluxe set here. Okay, looks like that's everything. So let's start with the OneBlade Genesis razor itself. So here it is. Looks like there's a serial number. Okay. Genuine OneBlade stainless steel razor. This is the serial number. German steel, USA made. Precision stainless steel spring with Teflon coating. Machine to 0.05 millimeter tolerance. Designed in Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Look at that. All right. Wow. A lot of care in this packaging here. Nice touch with the red string there. And a metal token or medallion. Oh, that's a nice touch as well. So there's the OneBlade logo. Okay, very nice. Wow, so this is pretty exquisite. This looks like leather with some very nice stitching. The OneBlade logo. The logotype emblazoned on the front, embossed. Wow, this is very deluxe. Okay, so we have some cards, it looks like here. OneBlade guaranteed for lives. Your sons, your grandsons. Okay, so certainly this is a luxury item, and they are packaging it as such. What do we got here? Some nice little design sketches there, essential steps. Okay, prep whisker, skin, lubricate, moisturize, restore, very fine. And then we have the instructions how to load the blade. And there's a lot on YouTube already about how to do this, so I won't go too much into that detail. And then removing the blade. Okay. Yeah, speaking of which, Sharpologist has some good videos on how to do all that and how to shave with it as well. So we have a little foam there, and here it is. The Genesis razor. So this is, wow, this is heavy. So this is a limited edition black colorway. I understand on their website I saw they have silver. They even have a 24 karat gold version, but wow, very nice. So we have emblazoned here, a very discreetly marked logo. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it feels great in the hand. And again, a good weight. On there it says OneBlade. Yeah, definitely excellent, amazing craftsmanship. And this is heavy as well. Nice horizontal stand. It says OneBlade right here. Yeah, right there. And a nice stable stand. Okay. So next we have the Thäter shaving brushes. So handmade, genuine handcrafted from Germany. Ah, there it is, since 1913. So silver tip, the olive wood handle. Okay, and then for those that can read German. Excellent. Okay. Okay, that's everything. So there it is. Oh, wow. So there it is. OneBlade HL Thäter, made in Germany, Silvertip Badger. Whew. Yeah, this is beautiful. You can see the shape of the silver tip. A lot of backbone to this. Yeah, this is going to be really nice, soft, but very firm. Very firm as in a very good way. Yeah, so that's going to work really well. Whew. Beautiful natural olive wood there. We have a note here. It says, okay, after each use, rinse thoroughly. Beware of soap and cream residue. Okay, don't use chemicals. Good. Excellent. Whew. Beautiful. Okay, so what else do we have in this? This looks nice. Brush stand. Okay. Beautiful boxes. These are keepers. Even the boxes. Ooh, wow. Solid. So here we have, as you can see, the OneBlade logo. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. Yeah, so that's going to look fantastic right here next to the Genesis razor. Outstanding. So let's look and see what we have here in this bag of goodies. Okay. Aftershave Balm. Restore Serum. And lavender, small batch. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay. Okay. Smells good. Oh, it's soft. Definitely soft. Okay, this is excellent shaving cream. That's going to go really nice with the brush here. This is quite the deluxe set. Basically everything you could ever want. Yeah, everything is packaged at a very high level here. We have OneBlade Aftershave Balm. Alcohol-free. Heal and restore your skin. Okay. Good. And then here we have something in an eyedropper, the OneBlade Restore Serum. Apply 2 to 4 drops to cleanse skin nightly for a firmer, healthier looking face. Okay. So here we go. Very nice. Yeah, put this in view. Okay, we have Cook Leather, OneBlade. Okay, I'm gonna imagine this is maybe a holster for the Genesis razor. Ah, wow. Very nice supple leather here. Okay, USA. Let's see how this is gonna work here. So I'm just gonna try that out right now. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so that's a snug fit, but that's what you want. It might loosen up over time, but let's see here. Probably don't want to put that in there with a razor in it, but yeah. So for travel, this is the way to go. Protecting the razor. Excellent. Nice little cotton pouch. So here we have more supplies. Okay, so we have these few packs of razors here. Just open one of these. So these are made in Japan. Feather razors, I'm sure if you're watching this, you're familiar with feather razors. Certainly one of the industry's best. Osaka, Japan. And then we have one more item here. This must be the razor bank, yes. Very good. Safe place to store your razors after they're used. Excellent. Good. Well, thanks so much for watching on this unboxing. The website where you can get these things is onebladeshave.com. I'll put the links in the description below. But here we have the, this is the Thäter exclusively with OneBlade, the Silvertip Badger Hair Shave Brush. And this is available on their website as well. Exquisite. Top level stuff here. And then of course, the Genesis razor in black. So thanks so much for watching. Check out sharpologist.com and check out onebladeshave.com. Yeah, just one little bonus point I thought worth mentioning is the packaging that the Genesis came in. We do have the serial number B0058, but on the actual razor itself, you can see a serial number too. Let's see if we can focus in on that. Hopefully that's in focus enough to see it, but BB058. So a lot of care in the craftsmanship.